Let's go to five-element constitutional acupuncture. Let's discuss overview of use of points. The overview of the use of points. Practitioners of five-element constitutional acupuncture use points in different ways, three different ways. According to the type of point, these uses were first laid down in the early classics. For example, different types of points are backshu points, yuan source points, element points, tonification points, etc. According to the qualities implied to the names by the names given to them in antiquity, for example, using points five spirit storehouse to treat a person at the level of the spirit. In some instances, the location of the point is considered. Third, using a combination of points. Some points are used together to create a specific effect. For example, using Ren 15, stomach 25, stomach 32, and stomach 41 to clear possession or exit and entry points, such as liver 14 and lung 1 to clear a block. The use of points according to traditional usage. Command points. The Neijing and the Nanjing outline several different classification of points and give some indications as to how these points should be used. Much emphasis is placed on the use of command points, the points situated below the elbow and the knee. The 360 points of the whole body have their command in the 66 points of the feet and hands. In this quotation, the number 66 comprises the 5 shu points of the 12 channels and the yuan source points of the yang channels, which are shu points. The command points are considered to be especially effective at enhancing the qi of the organs. Giovanni Mascioscia describes them as being more dynamic than points on other parts of the body for two reasons. Firstly, because they are more superficial in nature, and secondly, because of the rapid changing and relatively volatile yin and yang dynamics present at the beginning and the end of the channel. These points are commonly used to direct, enrich, and command the qi. The element points, especially the tonification and sedation points, yuan source points, horary points, lower junction points, and qi cleft points. Other points with specific uses. Besides command points, there are a number of other points commonly used by five-element constitutional acupuncturists. They are backshu points, exit and entry points, points on the Ren and Du channels. From Mu points, these points are palpated for diagnosis only. Although practitioners frequently use on various parts of the body, they tend to complement them with command points. This usually enhances their effect. If a significant change has been affected in the patient's color, sound, odor, emotion, or pulses by using only the body point, then it may be unnecessary to use a command point as well. Thank you for your attention.